Hi students, in this topic amines, we are going to see the classification and nomenclature of amines. Amines, they are the compounds which contain nitrogen. Now amines, they are present in many natural compounds like proteins, vitamins, hormones and many plant products. If you take the example, we can take the example of nicotine, we can take the example of caffeine. Nicotine is present in tea, caffeine is present in coffee. All these compounds, they are the nitrogenous or nitrogen containing compounds. First, classification of amines. We are going to see amines classification. So amines, they are the nitrogen containing organic compounds which are having the basic characteristic. They are classified into different types like primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. These amines, they are obtained by replacing 1, 2 or 3 hydrogen atoms of ammonia by alkyl or aryl groups. We can say that amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Primary amines, in primary amines, 1 hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. Secondary and tertiary amines, they are again classified into different types, that is simple or symmetrical and mixed or unsymmetrical. First is the symmetrical. When the alkyl or aryl groups attach on the nitrogen atom is same, then it is a simple amine, and if the groups they are different, then it is a mixed amine. Amines, they are of two main classes, that is aliphatic and aromatic. It depends upon the nature of groups attached to the nitrogen atom. If aliphatic group is attached, it is known as aliphatic amine, and if aromatic group is attached, it is known as aromatic amine. Now we can see the types of amine. Primary amine, its functional group is amino dash NH2. We can have the example C2H5NH2 ethylamine. When one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl group, it is primary amine. Second, secondary amine. The functional group is imino dash dash NH. Its example is dimethylamine CH3 NHCH3. Tertiary amine. In tertiary amine, the functional group is tertiary nitrogen. It has 3 valencies for nitrogen. The formula of triethylamine CH3 bracket thrice N. It is the example of tertiary amine. So, if both the alkyl groups attached to the secondary or tertiary amine are same, then that amine is known as a simple or symmetrical amine, and if the alkyl groups attached to the secondary or tertiary amines are different, then it is known as a mixed amine. Nomenclature of amines. There are two systems for nomenclature of amines. First, the common names, and second, the IUPAC names. Common names. Common names of aliphatic amines, they are given by writing the name of the alkyl group followed by the suffix amine. That is, we can call as alkyl amine. In case of mixed amines, the names of alkyl groups, they are written in the alphabetical order. If 2 or 3 identical groups are attached to the nitrogen, then prefix like di for 2, tri for 3, they are added before the name of the alkyl groups. The parent aryl amine C6H5NH2 is known as aniline. Other aromatic amines, they are named as the derivatives of the aniline. So these are the common name. Their common names are alkyl amine like methyl amine, ethyl amine, N-propyl amine, etc. If it is of aromatic, then the parent is aniline or phenylamine. Next, IUPAC names. In IUPAC system, primary amines are named by replacing the ending E of the parent alkane by suffix amine. That is, the last alphabet E of alkane is removed and instead of E, amine word is added. So the name will be alkanamine. A locant indicating the position of amino group is added before the suffix name. Means we have to assign the position of the amino group before the suffix amine word. When there are two amino groups, then the prefix like di, if 3 is there, tri, etc. are used with proper locant. In this case, the ending E of the parent is retained in case of di, tri, etc. Secondary or tertiary amines, they are named as N-substituted derivatives of primary amines. The largest alkyl group attached to the nitrogen is taken as the parent alkane, and the other groups are known as N-substituents. We have to select the larger group as the parent. While naming aryl amines, ending E of the arene is replaced by the word amine. For aromatic, that is aryl amines, ending E of the arene is replaced by the word amine. The common name aniline is also accepted by the IUPAC system. Some common examples of IUPAC and common names are given here. Primary amines, CH3NH2. Its common name is methylamine, that is alkylamine, and its IUPAC name is methanamine. Parent is methane, so remove E of methane and add the word amine. So the name will be methanamine. Second example, ethylamine. Its common name is N-propylamine. Because the propyl group is there, normal propyl group is present, and IUPAC name is propan-1-amine. So amino group is attached at the first position, so the name will be propan-1-amine. Third example, CH3CHNH2CH3. Common name will be isopropyl amine. The group is isopropyl, and IUPAC name is propan-2-amine. Fourth example, ethylene diamine, NH2CH2CH2NH2, and the IUPAC name will be ethan-1,2-diamine. As two amino groups are there at first and second position, its name will be 1,2-diamine. Here the word ethane is retained, the parent name is retained in case of diamine. Next example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 NH2. The group is allyl, so common name is allylamine. Its IUPAC name is prop-2-in-1-amine, because double bond is present between second and third carbon. Amino group is present at the first carbon, so prop-2-in-1-amine. Next, aniline. Common name is aniline or phenylamine. IUPAC name is aniline or benzamine. Here benzene is the parent, E is replaced by the word amine. Next, NH2CH2 6 times NH2. Hexamethylene diamine. 6 methylene groups are there. Hexamethylene diamine. Its IUPAC name is hexane 1,6-diamine. Hexane 1,6-diamine. As 2 amino groups are there and parent is hexane. Hexane 1,6-diamine. Next example, paratoluidine. Methyl group is present at the para position with reference to NH2 group. P-toluidine. Its IUPAC name is 4-methyl-aniline. Methyl group is present at the 4th position. 4-methyl-aniline. Next, cyclohexylamine. Cyclohexane is the parent. Hydrogen is replaced by cyclohexyl group, so cyclohexylamine. And IUPAC name cyclohexanamine because parent is cyclohexanone, parent is cyclohexane, so E is replaced by amine, cyclohexanamine. Next, benzylamine, CH2NH2, attached phenyl ring is attached to CH2NH2, benzylamine. Its name will be phenylmethanamine. Phenylmethanamine. Last example, parabromoaniline. To the para position, bromine is present. Parabromoaniline is the common name and IUPAC name. If you start numbering from NH2, bromine will have 4 position. So 4-bromoaniline or 4-bromobenzamine, because aniline is also known as benzamine. So these are the common and IUPAC names of primary amines. IUPAC names and common names of secondary amines. First example, CH3NHCH3, dimethylamine. 2 methyl groups are attached. It's a symmetrical amine. Its IUPAC name will be N-methylmethanamine, because any methyl group you can take as a parent and methyl group is attached to nitrogen, so N-methylmethanamine. Next example, ethylmethylamine. It's unsymmetrical amine. To one side ethyl group and to the other side methyl group is attached. So bigger group will be the parent, and in IUPAC name N-methyl, because methyl will be the substituent. Ethanamine, ethane will be the parent. N-methylethanamine. Next, methylphenylamine. It's unsymmetrical amine, methylphenylamine. Parent will be aniline. To the nitrogen, methyl group is attached, so N-methylaniline or N-methylbenzamine will be the IUPAC name. Next, diphenylamine. 2 phenyl groups are attached to nitrogen, so its IUPAC name will be N-phenylbenzamine. To the nitrogen, phenyl group is attached, so N-phenylbenzamine. Next, the IUPAC names of tertiary amines. First example, trimethylamine. Its IUPAC name will be 1 methyl will be treated as a parent and 2 are the substituents, so N-N-dimethyl. N double we have to write because 2 methyl groups are there. N-N-dimethyl methanamine. Next, ethyl dimethylamine. We have to write ethyl first according to the alphabet. E comes before M. So ethyl, 2 methyl groups are there, so dimethylamine, common name. And IUPAC name, parent will be ethyl group, so IUPAC name N-N-dimethyl ethanamine. Ethane will be the parent. Next example, CH3N C2H5C3H7, ethyl methyl N-propylamine. N-propylamine will be the parent because it's a bigger group. IUPAC name will be N-ethyl N-methyl propan 1-amine, because to the propane at first position and N is attached. Next, CH3CHCH3, that is isopropyl group is there attached to nitrogen. Other group is ethyl and other group is methyl. So name will be ethyl methyl because E comes before M. Ethyl methyl. Isopropyl will be the parent. Ethyl methyl isopropylamine. And IUPAC name will be N-ethyl N-methyl propan2-amine because nitrogen ethyl group is attached, methyl group is attached, and propan2-amine. Last example, N dimethyl aniline because if we replace two hydrogens of aniline by methyl group we get N dimethyl aniline, and its IUPAC name will be N dimethyl benzamine. Benzamine is aniline. So here we have seen about the IUPAC names of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. In this lecture we saw amines, their classification and their IUPAC names. So these amines, they are nitrogen containing organic compounds in which one or more hydrogen atoms they are replaced by amino groups. They are replaced by alkyl groups. Thank you.